How to change your profile picture on TikTok. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can change your profile picture on TikTok. Now to do so, first open up the app and make sure you are logged into your account. Now you'll get an interface like this. Head into your profile by tapping on the profile icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen, and here you'll be able to see your cover picture, your profile info here, all your videos and stuffs. Now what you want to do is simply tap on edit profile option here, and then you'll get the option to change photo. Now you can take a photo or you can select it from your gallery, you can view photo, or what you can do is you can select a video if you want. Now here I'll just select a quick video for you. Simply tap on it and crop. You can crop any seconds that you want and then save it. So you can see it's been updated and I have a video here. However, if you want to change your profile, tap on change photo and then tap on select from gallery or take photo if you want to take one. And here I have only a single picture here on my device, so tap on it and confirm it and crop it. And what you want to do is tap on save and post, and you will be able to change your profile picture on TikTok. So this way you can change your profile picture on TikTok. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.